Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make wish list on ASOS. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your ASOS app on your phone. Make sure you have signed in and it is an updated version of the app as well. Then go to your home section, go ahead, choose a category, and go ahead, simply choose an item that you would like to buy. Once you've chose the item, go ahead, choose this shade as well, because it will differ according to the product. Now tap on the save icon given over here, then tap on add to board. Now tap on create board. Let's go ahead, create wish list. We're gonna name it, then tap on create board. Our board has been created and I can go back to this favorite section, and my products will be here in the all items. I can switch to board and my board will be there, and I can again tap on it, and I can tap on move to back to directly purchase it, and I can go back to my home section and again go to the category, and I'm going to be able to check out the product that I want to buy, and tap on the save again and tap on add to bag, and I'm going to choose my wish list that I have created, and there we go, the product has been added and I'm good to go. That's how you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.